In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a table in Notion. We'll walk through a simple process that lets you add images directly into your database so they sit neatly inside a column right alongside your other information. This is really handy if you're building things like a product catalog, a gallery of design assets, or a content planner where you want visual references next to text. Start by going to the page in Notion where you want your table. Click into an empty line on the page where you'd like the table to appear. Now, type a /. This is the main shortcut in Notion that opens the command menu and lets you insert different types of content without having to click around. After typing the slash, a list of options will appear. Begin typing Table View. If you don't see it right away, then select Table View from the menu. This will insert a new database table on your page. You'll see some default columns appear, like name and maybe tags or something similar, depending on your setup. To make room for images, move your attention to the far right side of the table's header row. You'll see a small plus icon, which is used to add a new property, or in other words, a new column. Click that plus icon. A menu will open, asking you what kind of property you want this column to be. From that list, choose Files and Media. This property type is what allows you to attach images and other files to each row in your table. Once you've selected it, you'll see a new column appear with that property type applied. Now, click into any empty cell in your new Files and Media column. When you do, Notion will show you a few options for adding content. Choose Upload. This tells Notion you want to add a file from your device rather than linking from somewhere else. Your computer's file picker will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the image you want, and confirm. After a moment, the image will appear right inside that table cell. You can repeat this process for each row, uploading different images as needed. That's all you need to add images into a Notion table. Create a table view, add a Files and Media property, click into a cell, and upload your image.